Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. It looks as though Regis Prograis did not come to play on Saturday night. It was the WBA super lightweight champion Kiryl Relikh versus Regis Prograis, and it ended in 6 rounds. And the reason it ended in 6 rounds is because Regis Prograis came in and he meant business. He beat up, he bruised, he battered Relikh. Relikh could not do anything to keep Prograis off of him. Early in the fight, Relikh went up top. Guess where Prograis went? Regis went to the body. No one knew what was going on and why. Relikh turned his back, but he got hit in the ribs with a great left hand. And after that, it was murder, she wrote, murder, she wrote. It was over. From that point on, Regis Prograis wanted and did what he willed with Relikh. He beat him up to the top and he worked on that body. He did not leave that body alone. He went to the body, and when Relikh was concerned about the body, he went up top. He broke his nose. I'm pretty sure he broke his nose in the second round. And from that point on top of the first round, it was just more punishment, more abuse, more getting beat up. And Regis Prograis has recognized and realized his dream. And now he is the first world champion in 54 years for New Orleans. And I'm so proud of him. He came in, he meant business. He said he was serious. He said he was training harder than ever. And it definitely showed. Relikh didn't come in here to lie down. It's just that Prograis was better. I think it was more that Prograis was better than Relikh wasn't good. Regis Prograis wanted to put everyone on notice and everyone in the tournament on notice that he was going to win a title and also win the Ali Trophy. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.